Yo, what's up traders? Welcome to a new video. In this video I'll be showing you a nice 1-minute scalping trading strategy, and you can use this trading strategy if you're trading crypto, forex, or even stocks. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, let me show you the indicators. We go to the indicator tab and we will be using three indicators. First of all, we've seen it multiple times, the moving average exponential. Make sure to click on this once. Then we are looking for the donchian trend ribbon over here. We click on that as well. And then we are looking for the whole suite. Over here we are looking for this one by in silico, so make sure you definitely use this one over here, the whole suite in silico. This is what you will see, but we need to adjust the settings first. I leave the 200 exponential moving average, I leave the color on default, I do not change anything, but I do change the length. Instead of 9, I make sure that the length is set at 200. Then we are looking at the donchian trend ribbon, and instead of 20 I'm using the 30, and over here I do not change anything, I just leave it on default. So make sure to use the 30 period. And then the whole suite, indicator, I do not change anything, I just leave it on default. Even the colors, I do not touch it. So this is what you will see, and let me explain you the trading instructions. So over here we have a 200 exponential moving average, and if the price is above, we're only looking for buy opportunities. When the price is below the 200 exponential moving average, we're only looking for sell opportunities. That's our first condition. Then let's say we're looking for buy opportunities, the price needs to be above the 200 exponential moving average. We drop down and we are looking at the donchian trend ribbon, and we are looking for red bars, so no green bars but red bars, and that is about here, from here to here. And then we are waiting for our whole suite indicator to turn green, and that is about here on this candle. So we grab our tool, because over here we see that the donchian trend ribbon is red, the price is above the 200 exponential moving average, and the whole suite turns to green. So we take a buy trade, we place our stop loss a few pips below the latest low, which is here, and then we use a 1.5 to 1 risk reward ratio trade, that is here. But yeah, as you can see, this turned out to be a nice almost 4 risk reward ratio trade, so this is an amazing trade, of course. So this is a really good trade and turned out to hit a nice target. Let me show you another example. Alright, over here we see the price is above the 200 exponential moving average. We see that the donchian trend ribbon is red, so that is good for our buy opportunities. Then we only need to wait for our whole suite indicator to turn green, which is here. We grab our tool, use a 1.5 to 1 risk reward ratio, but this was a 2.6 reward ratio trade. So yeah, that is an amazing trade, and again a nice winner. Okay, so now it's time for a sell opportunity. So the first thing we need to do is look at the price. That needs to be below the 200 exponential moving average, and that is the case. So yeah, we're only looking for sell opportunities right now. Then we have green donchian trend ribbon bars, that is also good if we are looking for sell opportunities, which means that now we're looking at the pullback situation. And I do not recommend to take any trades, sell trades in this case, when the donchian trend ribbon is red as well, because that is, it's a delayed indicator, which means that the price has already dropped down. If you're looking for green donchian trend ribbons when the price is also below the 200 exponential moving average, then you are really aiming for a nice pullback trade, and that is what we really want. So yeah, let me continue over here, we see green bars, the price is below the 200 exponential moving average. We grab our short position tool because over here we see that the whole suite turns to be red. Yeah, it turns red. And then we grab our tool and place our stop loss a few pips above the latest high. So that is, yeah, about here 7, maybe 8 pips, because the latest high was 6.5. So yeah, maybe 7.5, maybe 8 is fine. And then you use a 1.5 to 1 risk reward ratio. Yeah, so this, yeah, was about here. So this was a nice winner again. And what I really recommend you guys to use is a low fee spread broker, because if you're scalping, especially in a 1 minute time frame, then yeah, you're really paying a lot of fees. So make sure to use low fee broker that also offers low spread. So yeah, you do not take any losses because of a high spread. For example, over here, let's say that your broker has 1 pip spread, then yeah, you would lose this trade at 7.5 pip stop loss. But if you're using a, let's say, 3 pip, then yeah, your stop loss needs to be above here in order to take a winning trade. And yeah, as you can see, we also have to adjust the risk reward ratio. So yeah, this is a nice winner. And what you, maybe you have noticed that we also have another opportunity about here. And normally I only take 1 trade, and I take the next one when this trade is finished. Let's say that you have missed this trade, we can take this one because we see green bars, the price is below the 200 exponential moving average, and we have a red whole suite signal. So we grab the tool and we're using a 1.5 to 1 risk reward ratio trade, and this is a nice winner. Over here I'm going to show you the last example, so then this trading strategy is really clear. Over here we see the prices above the 200 exponential moving average. We see red bars, which means that the short-term trend was downward. So yeah, we really are looking for a pullback situation. Then we wait for our whole suite to turn green. We grab our tool, use a 1.5 to 1 risk reward ratio, and that is about here. So this is it's an amazing trade, really good trade, and also a nice winning trade. And I mean, not every single trade that you will take turns out to be a winner, because this trading strategy does not have a 100% win rate, but it is really good. And of course I'm cherry picking right now, but this trading strategy has high potentials. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you learned something, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also let me know down below in the comments which kind of videos you want me to produce, to create next. I see you in the next video.